Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about handling multiple condition with the help of logical operators inside if. Sometimes we need to combine more than one condition, more than one comparison at the same time and do the action based on the condition result. Okay. For example, we have decided to give a discount to the customer who is purchasing more than 5,000 rupees from the garment section. So how many conditions are there? He should purchase more than 5,000 rupees and at the same time the purchase must be from the garments. So if someone came and purchased 10,000 rupees vegetable, he is not going to get the discount. Correct? Okay. So in that case, you want to combine more than one condition at the same time. For that, logical operators are used. So logical operators are and, or, and not. Okay. In this, and will return true only if all the conditions are true. So you combine more than one conditions together, and if all the conditions you mentioned is satisfied, then and will say true. Then or will return true if any of the conditions are true. That means if you are combining more than one condition, for example, say example 5 condition, 4 conditions are false and 1 condition is satisfied, then or will let you in. Not will return true when the condition is not satisfied. This is rarely used but still useful. Okay, so we will go with and or, and we will explain this again with an example. So I will go to the example 1 sheet. Here I have something called eligibility checker, and we have subject 1, subject 2 marks. Okay, so the condition is like all the people who get more than 80 mark in both subject, their result should be showing eligible for higher studies. Correct? Okay. Subject 1 mark we will receive in E6 cell, and subject 2 mark we will receive in E8 cell, and the result we want to display in D11 cell. Okay, so that's what is our plan. And one more thing you have to remember is like this and or not, they cannot stay alone because they cannot produce a human readable result. What do you mean by human readable result? You remember, like when we do the if, we have some statement or result we return to the user. So and or will display only true or false. So and or must be enclosed inside an if to produce the human readable result. Okay, so they can't stay alone. Okay, so I'm gonna do this example to make you much more clear. So I will open my Visual Basic Editor and I'll keep it side by side better. Okay, then I'm going to insert a module. Then in the module I'm giving like and underscore or. Then I'm giving here sub eligibility. Okay, so here I have declared a worksheet variable and set the worksheet variable to example 1 worksheet. Okay, so now I am saying like if first we want to check the subject 1 mark, then I'm saying like ws dot range of subject 1 is in E6, right? E6 greater than 80 or greater than or equal to 80. So this is my first condition, right? And I want to combine one more condition this for the subject 2. So here I'm going to use the and operator, and ws dot range of E8, that's the second subject 2 box, greater than or equal to 80. Then okay, so first we are checking the subject 1 is more than 80, and then we are checking the subject 2 is more than 80. So if both of these are okay, what we want to display ws dot range of which range D11 equals eligible. Okay, else ws dot range of D11 equals not eligible. This is what we want. And if, right? Okay, so let's try to do that. I'm giving here subject 185, sorry, 85, and subject to 25. I will assign the macro now. Assign macro eligibility. Okay, so when I click not eligible, because this is eligible but this is not eligible, so here I'm going to give 90, then it's eligible. So if it is 90 and 50, it is not eligible. So if both conditions are okay, then only it is giving you the value eligible. So like this, you can have many conditions connected together. Here we have connected only two conditions. So if you want to connect like another one, you can simply say and you can say the next condition. So it's as flexible as this. Okay, so now let's think about the OR stuff. Okay, so in example 2 we are going to discuss about the OR. Okay, so here we have a car bidding program, and in this car bidding program the condition is like all the car manufactured after 2012 is eligible for bidding. So after 2012, all of them considered as new cars, and cars having mileage less than 25,000 kilometer also eligible. What does that mean? Even if the year is like past, if it is run less only, then it is eligible. So any of these conditions is okay, it must be what? Eligible. Okay, so we are going to do that. I will go back to Visual Basic. Then let me copy this one for easiness. Okay, and I will paste it over here. Okay, so in the place of eligibility, I'm going to change the sub name to car bidding, car bid. Okay, so this sheet I will change to example 2. Then ws.range of E6 and everything stays same. The condition is like first after 2012, so that means greater than or equal to 2012, and the second one should be less than or equal to 25,000, less than or equal to 25,000. If it is, that is the case, ready for bid, otherwise not ready. Okay, so because I use the same code, because the cells and everything seems same, and I change only the sub name and the worksheet name and the conditions, right? Okay, hope you understand. But in the place of and, actually what we want is or. Okay, so now if I give like manufacture year 2015 and mileage 80,000, check, assign the macro, then check. Okay, then when I click check, there you go, it's ready for bid. Why? Because the car is built after 2012. So I'm giving like 2006 model 80,000. That's not ready because both of the conditions are wrong. 2006 model 15,000. That is ready because it is less than 25,000. So it is any of the condition is true, then it do the action. So I hope you understand the difference between and or. And will be like giving you an option to act when all the conditions are true, or will allow you to act even like one condition is true. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.